Narasimha Ayagari. Companies around the world are going digital is a given fact today. Digital strategy is achieved and realized on the ground level with the implementation of projects. So in this video, we'll look at the different project types in the product lifecycle management space. Here is the list of 7 project types based on my experience in working on the Siemens Teamcenter PLM platform. The very first one is consultancy. This is more applicable for completely new customers who need PLM presence. In this project, the current state of business process is studied and the future state of business process is envisioned with PLM technology in play. Assess and determine which PLM software is suitable for your organization based on the use cases you are implementing. As the cliche goes, all the ocean is not boiled at once. The scope of implementation is broken down into multiple phases so that the adoption of PLM by users is learnable and incremental. The solution development is manageable and effective from a costing, schedule, and licensing standpoint. Users also get an early view of PLM and its capabilities. The cost of PLM implementation is multifold. Software licenses, hardware, implementation, training, maintenance, and so on. The cost of PLM initiative is determined from a short-term and long-term standpoint. All in all, this project will help the key stakeholders to determine the benefits, time, money, and scope of the PLM initiative to justify the business case in front of management teams of customers. The next project is implementation. Once you have determined the scope, time, and cost of the PLM initiative, it must be implemented in phases. In this project, you need to gather the business needs, design and develop the solutions, test the solutions, train the users, install and set up the environments, and deploy the solutions for all the end users in a production environment. In this nature of the project, as multiple stakeholders will be part of, risks must be identified and managed proactively. The next type of project is migration. Company acquisitions, leadership changes, and other organizational reasons prompt you to shift from one PLM system to another PLM system. In this project, you need to migrate the data such as parts, bill of material, design data, change, documents, etc. from source to destination PLM systems. The standard ETL approach, extract, transform, load, will be a guideline for migrating your data. You need to develop programs or scripts for extraction, transformation, and load aspects. Think of this as shifting from one home to another home. The next type of project is upgrade. Successful software products do not just end with development and deployment to users. Maintenance and extension is a significant aspect of successful software products. New functionalities, integration compatibilities, updates, fixes, end of standard maintenance are all drivers for an upgrade project. Major updates are referred to as release-to-release upgrades, and minor updates are delivered as patches. The next type of project is support. Successful software products need to have good end user support. Otherwise, it would impact the adoption of PLM by end users. Support could range from simple how to creation of new users, analysis and fixing of application issues. Support could further be categorized into application and system support to keep the lights on. Then, training. The most important aspect of organizational change management and addressing the resistance to new technology implementation is training. Key users must be trained early to define the business needs effectively. Other users must be trained appropriately based on their role. Training documents and videos would help ease the onboarding of new users. The final one is customization. To automate repetitive tasks, improve user productivity, and build custom interfaces and custom integrations, PLM software is customized and personalized based on the use cases of the company. A general rule is to have minimal customizations and major configurations, as customizations incur costs during upgrades and maintenance. A customization route can be taken if the solution cannot be achieved through out-of-the-box and configuration solutions. This must be carefully assessed and reviewed by the Program Change Control Board. So in summary, these are some of the project types based on my experience. Thank you.